Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quick and easy tomato soup. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 cups of broth, and some aromatics. Make sure you have a medium pot and an immersion blender ready. Dicing your onion and mincing garlic now will make the cooking process smooth and efficient. Now, let's build that delicious flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your medium pot over medium heat. Add the diced onion and sauté it gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes translucent and soft. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. It's time to bring everything together. Pour in your 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and the 2 cups of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for about 15 minutes. This allows all the flavors to truly meld. Finally, use an immersion blender to create that wonderfully smooth and creamy texture. Your quick and easy tomato soup is almost ready. Season it with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Serve it hot, perhaps with a garnish of fresh basil or a swirl of cream for extra richness. This recipe yields about 4 servings and is perfect for a cozy meal. Remember to check the description for the link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.